For centuries, humans have gazed up at the night sky, filled with wonder and a sense of the unknown. The vastness of space has always inspired awe and ignited our imaginations. But what if we are not alone in this vast universe? What if, throughout history, civilizations have been visited by beings from other worlds?
Evidence of such encounters, often dismissed as mere myth or legend, can be found in the ancient art and writings of cultures around the globe. From the cave paintings of prehistoric times to the intricate hieroglyphs of ancient Egypt, there are depictions of strange objects and beings that defy easy explanation.
Could these be evidence of ancient astronauts visiting Earth from distant stars? Could these images be humanity's first attempts to document encounters with the unexplained?
One compelling example is found in the ancient Indian texts known as the Vedas. These sacred scriptures, dating back thousands of years, describe flying machines called vimanas. These vimanas are said to have possessed incredible capabilities, including the ability to travel vast distances and even engage in aerial combat.
Are these simply flights of fancy, or could they be based on actual observations of advanced technology beyond the comprehension of ancient man? The possibility, however remote it may seem, is intriguing.
It suggests that we are not alone in the universe and that our history may be far more complex and mysterious than we ever imagined. These ancient accounts, passed down through generations, serve as tantalizing glimpses into a past where the impossible might have been a reality. The year was 1947. The world was still recovering from the devastation of World War II, and a new era of technological advancement was dawning. Against this backdrop, a series of events unfolded in the desert near Roswell, New Mexico, that would forever change the way we view the possibility of extraterrestrial life.
In early July, rancher Mac Brazel discovered strange debris scattered across his property. The material was unlike anything he had ever seen before, lightweight yet incredibly strong, with unusual markings that resembled hieroglyphs.
When news of the discovery reached the local authorities, the story quickly gained national attention. The Roswell Army Airfield initially issued a press release stating that they had recovered a flying disc, sending shockwaves across the globe.
However, the official narrative soon changed. The military retracted its initial statement, claiming that the debris was simply from a downed weather balloon. This explanation did little to quell the growing public fascination with the incident. Skepticism ran high, fueled by inconsistencies in the government's account and rumors of a cover-up.
The Roswell incident, as it came to be known, became a defining moment in UFO history. It ignited the public imagination and fueled a wave of UFO sightings across the United States. Was it a genuine case of a crashed alien spacecraft, as many believe, or was it, as the government maintains, simply a case of mistaken identity? The debate continues to this day, with Roswell remaining a symbol of the unknown and the enduring mystery of what lies beyond our world. Just a few years after the Roswell incident captivated the nation, the skies above Washington, D.C. became the stage for another series of unexplained events that would further solidify the United States' fascination with UFOs.
In the summer of 1952, multiple radar operators at both National Airport and Andrews Air Force Base reported strange blips appearing on their screens. These blips, moving at speeds and trajectories impossible for conventional aircraft of the time, suggested the presence of unidentified objects in the restricted airspace above the nation's capital.
As concern grew, fighter jets were scrambled to intercept the mysterious objects. Witnesses on the ground, including seasoned pilots, described seeing bright lights moving rapidly across the sky, changing direction with seemingly impossible agility.
One pilot even reported chasing a bright orange light that outmaneuvered his jet with ease, disappearing into the night as quickly as it had appeared.
The events of July 1952 sent shockwaves through the government and military establishment. The sightings occurred during a time of heightened Cold War tensions, raising concerns about national security and the possibility of advanced Soviet technology. However, the object's capabilities far exceeded anything known to exist at the time.
The Washington, D.C. sightings, coming on the heels of the Roswell incident, intensified public interest in UFOs and led to the creation of a government-sanctioned study of the phenomenon, Project Blue Book.
These events demonstrated that the UFO mystery was not confined to remote desert locations. but could unfold in the most heavily guarded airspace in the world, right above the heart of American power. The Rendlesham Forest incident, which unfolded in December 1980, stands as one of the most well-documented and compelling UFO cases in history. This event, occurring not in the vast expanse of the American Southwest, but in the secluded woodlands of Suffolk, England, involved multiple eyewitnesses, including military personnel, providing detailed accounts of their encounters with a strange craft of unknown origin.
It began with security patrolmen from the nearby RAF Woodbridge base observing unusual lights descending into Rendlesham Forest. Approaching the lights, believing them to be a downed aircraft, the patrolmen instead encountered a triangular-shaped craft emitting a strange pulsating glow. The craft was described as being metallic in appearance, with no visible seams or rivets, and with lights that seemed to emanate from within its very structure.
Over the next several nights, multiple personnel from RAF Woodbridge witnessed the strange lights and the unidentified craft, with some even claiming to have seen strange symbols or markings on its surface.
Deputy Base Commander Lieutenant Colonel Charles Holt, a seasoned officer with a reputation for integrity, personally witnessed and documented the events, even recording his observations on audio cassette tapes.
The Rendlesham Forest incident, with its multiple credible witnesses and tangible evidence in the form of radiation readings and ground markings, presented a significant challenge to conventional explanations.
Despite attempts to dismiss the events as misinterpretations of natural phenomena or military exercises, the details and consistency of the eyewitness accounts continue to fuel speculation and intrigue.
The incident remains a focal point for UFO researchers and serves as a stark reminder that the unknown can manifest itself anywhere, even in the seemingly ordinary setting of a quiet English forest.